directors, teachers, and all my friends. I'm Anushri Singh Patel, the president of our school from class 10. I'm here to give you some information about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his journey. Vallabhbhai Javed Patel, commonly known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, some call him Iron Man or Sardar, was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Khera district. He was an Indian independent nationalist and barrister who served as India's first deputy prime minister and home minister from 1947 to 1950. He was a senior leader in Indian National Congress who played a significant role in India's struggle for independence and political integration. He was Mahatma Gandhi's earliest lieutenant. He acted as Home Minister during the political integration and Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, erected by Indian government, was dedicated to him. It was dedicated to him due to his unforgettable contribution that the whole country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, is united. Thank you.
Good. Very good.